In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to design YouTube banner and YouTube logo within 5 minutes. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Grow Bit of Family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Grow Better. In this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform and also how to make money online. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Masminian and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime we post amazing video, like this one you're watching at the moment, will be among the first people to watch the video. In this particular video, I'll be sharing how to design YouTube logo and YouTube banner. This is what people spend a lot of money to get done. But I promise you that after watching this video, you'll be able to do it by yourself within 5 minutes, right? You don't need to spend money on this anymore. So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'll be sharing step by step on how to do this. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. Please hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comments. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to design YouTube banner, right? And the logo. So this is how to do it, guys. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to come to Canvas, as you can see right here, canvas.com, right? I'll be dropping the link in the description. So the next thing we need to do is to come to this search right here. Once you are inside Canvas, you just need to come to this search right here and write YouTube banner, YouTube banner. Okay, as you can see right here. So they will bring out many banners, right, for you to choose the design you want. So if you want to create from scratch, you can actually come and click on this, create a blank YouTube banner right here, So, but most times I just love like coming to this place to create it fastly, then just choose any design I like here and I just recreate. So it's very, very simple. So, but one thing I need you guys to understand is that in Canvas, they have Canvas Pro, which you need to pay for the plan. So it's not everything right here that you can actually use, but there are some that are free that you can use even if you don't have money to pay for the paid version, right? So you don't need to come here and look for a good design that you love. So I don't need to be going through them to find the design that I would like to recreate. So I'll need to enter this one. This one is paid version, but inside here, I might see a design that I love. So, so I just keep looking for a nice design that I might like inside here. So let me enter here, then look. Most of all these things are not free. So I'm looking for a free design, you know, a free design that is very, very cool for me. So I think I just need to go back again. Then there is one right here that I like, this particular one, right? So, but the issue is that it has somebody inside, so I might not use it, but let me use this. This is amazing. So this particular one is amazing. So once you tap it, then you come and click on this customize template right here. Once you click on customize template, then you'll be able to customize it to your test. All right. So right here, all you need to do is just to come and change this name right here to the name of your channel, right? It's very easy. The channel I want to actually use this banner on, I want to name it Think Better. You understand? So I'll just name it Think Better, right? This is amazing. Then here you can actually write whatever you you want to put as the headline, as in whatever you want to put at the description of the channel, right? So think better than the description is uh learn online skills, online skills daily. You understand? Learn online skills daily. So I think I'm done with this, but I'm not totally done because I would like to put my logo right here. So what we need to do right now is that we need to design a logo. So I would need to come back right here, Then go back to Canvas, the home page, right? I will go back to the home page and type YouTube logo, YouTube, YouTube logo, YouTube logo. So YouTube channel logo right here, you know. Then they will bring out several logos, that you can choose from. You know, our this thing is think better, so we need to look for a logo that might match with thinking. So here are different logos, but I just need to find something better that will be creative, right? So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, search with me, guys. Please don't mind if I'm wasting your time, but I'm just looking for something better. So actually, I don't, due to because I don't want this video to be too long. Like if I'm on my own doing this, I will definitely look for a very better one. So, but if I keep searching my test, it might make this video too long. So I think I'll just need to come like this and let me use this. This one will be amazing. So what I need to do right now is just to come and click on this customize template again. So what we are doing is think better, and this is KV. So I will need to change this K to T, right? Then change this V to B, which is think better. Then this thing, the rows right here, I just need to change the up one to you know, think. Then change this one to better, right? So you can expand it and do it the way you would love it to be. Understand? Keep it the way you would love it to be. I think with this, I've gotten a logo, right? I've gotten a logo like this. The logo is nice. Think better, TB, right? So all I need to do right now is that I need to click on this share right here. But click on this share, you see download right here. Tap on the download, right? Then you can actually change the format you want to export, but I will leave it on PNG. Then click on download and you will see it will start downloading, right? It has downloaded, you can see right here. So if I want to add it, the place I want it to be, which is in the banner we are designing, I will just need to remove the background so that it will be nice. So how do I remove the background? I just need to come to remove .bg, as you can see right here, remove .bg. The remove .bg will remove the background for me. So I need to tap on this upload image right here, then go and get the image, upload it, then allow them to remove the background for me. So you can see right now, they said I am human, so I just need to tell them that I'm human, right? So very simple. All these things are not hard. These are the things that we actually pay money for, right? So, but I can actually do this without paying any money. It's very, very easy. Please click each email that containing a bubbly. Okay, so just click the one that contain that. I think I've verified it. So, yeah, you can see the background has been removed, and then I just need to download. I've downloaded it. So let's go back to the other side. We were designing our logo, right? So how do we import our logo into the banner? You just need to come right here, come to this upload right here, and come to upload, then you come to upload file right here, then upload the file to here. Then the next thing you need to do, you just need to allow it to load. So after loading, you just need to tap it, and you can see it's already right here. So you can see our logo right here. You just need to reduce it a little bit. Me, I don't like the logo to be too much. I'll just like it to be small. Then can can put it anywhere that will be nice, right? But to me, I feel like that place is nice. So here is the logo right here, like right beside our banner, right? So like this banner that I just designed right now. So if I want to export it, I just need to click on this share right here, tap on the share, and then click on download, and you can see it will be downloaded, right? So the next thing I will do right now is that I will take you guys to YouTube, where I'll be uploading it, and you see how it will look on YouTube, and the both the banner and the logo. You see how it will look on YouTube. Very beautiful. So branding, we need to come to branding, then upload our logo, right? So then I will now go to download, right? I think right here is the logo, right? So here is the Think Better logo I did. So you just need to put, right? Put OK. And if you want to upload the banner, just click on this upload right here. Then you now come and select the banner, right? Here is the banner we just designed. Here is the banner we designed for Think Better. So here is it then. Okay. You can see the banner has been added. So they just say this is how it will show in mobile and in laptop and on TV, right? So guys, let's view what we just did right now, So let's see how it will look like, right? So if you want to view, you just need to come and click on this view channel right here. Understand? So once you see, let's see what we just did. You can see right here, this channel look very professional, right? You can see the logo has been updated, and you can see the banner right here. So very simple and easy. So guys, this is how to create a YouTube logo and a YouTube banner, right? Very simple. So thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate you all. Welcome back guys. Hope you learned something from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, I would like you to hit the like button. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button, because in this channel there are a lot of things to learn. Right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to the end. I really appreciate you guys. The kind of love you guys show me is amazing. Thank you for watching and remain blessed.